How to turn off app notification for a specific app. You can turn off notification for any app on your iPhone individually so you won't get alert sounds or banners from it. So here is how to do so. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device. Now, once inside the settings app, all you have to do is simply scroll down and look for the notification option available in there and simply tap on the notification. Now, once you tap on the notification, you will get to see a long list of apps available there. Now, simply tap on the app or select the app you want to manage notification of. And if you simply want to toggle allow notification off, then you will get to see allow notification option available. Simply toggle that off. Now, repeat the same process for other apps you want to change notification settings off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.